money, hold up, got a cutter, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, hop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, fuck the bitch on the dick, keep him back, get on her neck, she only.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I am Miss Lovely, back with another video. And if you're new to the channel, should you like the essence of today's video or any other video that I post, I ask that you subscribe to the channel, become part of my internet family. I would love to have you. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, put it in the comments, an oldie but a goodie, and you know the love I have for you. So you guys, I am currently in the car getting ready to go into a launch for one of my best friend is modeling she's one of the models for a young lady that's in her line, a line sister. Her line sister is actually launching her clothing line, so I came out to support, of course, the brand of the modeling, the young lady who has the new clothing line. And then of course I came to support one of the besties, the bestie boo, as she is modeling her clothing line. So I was in here trying to spruce up myself because I literally just got off of the highway, and I'm in the car right now. And I think I ran into another YouTuber, so I'll put her on the camera a little bit later. So I just finished sprucing up myself, putting a little bit of cocoa butter on these elbows and these arms. I'm not doing a whole lot because it's hot. I'm rocking the bob, y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all like the bob on me. It's like asymmetrical, and I got like a little piece, but I'm loving it. It's cute, and it's off the neck. Okay, it's off the neck. So I'm using my cocoa butter Vaseline just to get these little cracks on my feet, because I don't want to be walking around ashy. It's technically, actually it's 1:15. I think the event don't start till 1 o'clock, but I know they say the doors open up at 1. And it's got like a pretty nice turnout so far. But anyways, hope y'all are doing well. I am doing fantabulous. I am doing lovely. It is a lovely, lovely day in the neighborhood, and I hope you guys are doing well. Also, so I've got this black tank top on, and I've got these dress pants on right here. I think I got these pants from Ross when I went to Texas last month. Yeah, last month I got these pants. They're like some cute trousers. I don't know if they're considered trousers or just some cute little dress pants. And then I'm wearing my black sandals with my initials on it. So that's the vibe for today. So let me go ahead and finish getting myself together, and then I'll see y'all on the outside. I mean, not the outside, the inside.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. My heart still feels bad. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so
fashion show was beautiful, and I ran into another YouTuber. Tell them who you are.
Hey y'all, I am C from Keeping Up with C. That's my channel. Make sure y'all subscribe. I am so happy to finally meet you.
Yes, hey y'all.
We be on each other's stuff, and it's always good to meet somebody that's local, that's doing what you're doing and trying to get it going. So it was good to meet you.
So y'all make sure y'all go check her out. I put her channel in the bottom of the description box, and I put on the screen as well.
Yes.
And y'all come check me out, Miss Lovely TV.
Okay, got you.
All right.
Nice
to meet you again. Huh?
You do content?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Jesus.
Yep.
Hey, get me in here.
Okay, come on, put your shout out. Shout yourself out.
A beautiful experience by Lana.
And what else you do?
A beautiful experience, private care, along with florals, and I think that's it.
And you said private care?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right, okay. All right, y'all check her out as well. All right, guys, so I actually forgot to do an official closing. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys for the love of Christ. Bye.